And we are going to be asking millionaires that are literally walking out here what they actually do for a living. What do you actually do for a living?
I've
That sounds very good. And how much do you think someone can make in the around a year?
Oh, easily like a million dirhams or more.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. As you guys can see, we are taking the whole YouTube game to a whole different level, guys. Today we are in this beautiful downtown Dubai with the Burj Khalifa view, and we are going to be asking millionaires that are literally walking out here what they actually do for a living to get their secret sauce. And I'm also going to be asking them, how can someone like you, a starter, get started with their business? So if you guys want to know, make sure you guys watch the whole video, because these guys do something crazy and I can't reveal the whole thing, but let's go ask them what they do for a living and see how it goes, inshallah. Alright guys, so we got the first millionaire right here. We're gonna be asking him what he actually does for a living. So, do you mind telling us what do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm a football player.
Oh really? For which club?
I cannot say.
Okay, that's a secret. And can we know how much can a football player like you make in a year?
Around like $500,000.
$500,000,
Yeah.
mashallah. And what do you advise for the people who wants to be a footballer?
I advise them to work hard
Work
and
hard.
listen to their coaches.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Have a good day. So do you mind telling us what you actually do for a living so the people can know?
Constructions, building work.
Constructions.
Yeah,
In which country, if you wanna?
in the UK.
In UK.
Yes.
Alright. So how much do you think someone who does construction can make in a year?
That depends.
Depends.
From a few £1,000s to a few £1,000,000.
Few millions. Okay. So what do you want to tell the people who just wants to get into construction or real estate? Do you have any advice for them?
The only advice is for the people who they really want to start in the construction is to try.
Right.
If you don't try, you're not gonna make it.
100%. In any business, that's the most important
Yeah.
thing. It's very good. Thanks so much, my brother.
And never give up, yeah?
100%.
All
So what's
right.
Guys, the craziest part is everyone who asks what they do for a living is actually like, what's your channel? And they actually subscribe. So we're actually getting way more benefit than what you expected. But we're gonna ask more people what they actually do for a living. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for the next few people. What's your name, my brother?
Michael.
Michael. So Michael, I have a question for you real quick. Since you're in downtown right here
Yeah.
in Burj Khalifa, what do you actually do for a living?
I have a marketing agency.
Marketing agency,
Yeah.
that sounds very good. And how much do you think someone can make in the marketing agency, around a year?
Oh, easily like a million dirhams or more.
In a year?
Yeah, easily, yeah.
Wow. And when did you start? How old?
10
were you?
years ago.
10 years
Yeah,
ago.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What did you start with? At that time, social media was that-
Video and websites.
video and websites.
Yeah.
And for someone, since making an agency is becoming a trend now.
Yeah.
For someone who just wants to get started, what's your best advice?
Okay, so my best advice would be actually do the qualifications. So Meta, TikTok, Google, they all have qualifications
100%.
and they're free.
Yep.
So you can do the courses for free, the qualifications for free.
Wow.
And if you do that, contact me, I'll get you a job.
Tell them what's your Instagram and they'll probably contact you for
Yeah,
sure.
sure. My Instagram is Michael Edge.
I'll put
So
it on the
it's-
top of the screen, guys.
Yeah.
If you guys want to do marketing agency and work with someone who's experienced already, this is your perfect chance.
Yeah,
Uh,
we've just launched in Dubai.
Wow,
So,
that's
yeah.
amazing. What's your agency name?
We have two agencies. One's called Electric and one's called Big Future Club.
That's beautiful,
So,
man.
yeah.
Happy for you.
Thanks, man.
I hope it
Take
works
care.
out.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, brother.
Yeah, take
Have a
care.
good time. All right, so I'm asking you
Hello.
guys a question real quick. What do you guys actually do for a living?
We live in India basically.
Alright.
We do business. We're in real estate and gold business. Yeah, gold, diamond, jewelry.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So, for a starter, do you guys think that business is good for a starter, for someone who wants to get
Yeah, business is very good, but you should know what are the main things to do.
And do you need a degree for the gold?
No,
or for the
no,
real-
nothing degree.
Oh, wow.
No degree. Only money, only profit.
You
need a lot of investment.
Yeah.
a lot of investment. And how much do you think can someone make in a year doing those business? The business that you do, like real estate and gold.
Per year, almost 10-20 million if you do right.
In dollars.
Yeah, in dollars. Yeah.
Wow. And what about the gold?
Gold is not that much working in India.
Wow.
Yeah.
Actually, we are earning like 2 million
Per year.
Mashallah. That's amazing, man. I'm
Yeah.
very, very happy for you guys. So, thank you guys so much
Thank
for
you.
your time. Have a good day. I think that was like the Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate of India, to be honest. mashallah, making like 10, 20 million in a year, bro. Just keep watching because we also have a special guest, if you guys already know. So can't wait. Let's go. You guys probably did not guess this, but I'm with the one and only Ahmed right here, bro. Just came to his office, sneaked in. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. How are you? Long time no see, my bro. How are you? How's everything?
Alhamdulillah, everything's good. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm all good.
What's this money maker, huh?
Yeah, you see it?
You know the vibes.
My bro is grinding 24/7. I just had to sneak into his office.
Young hustlers.
Wallahi, young hustler, mashallah.
Catch from the same.
You wanna tell them what's the next car? Or surprise?
We got even a surprise.
Surprise! It's one of the best cars, inshallah. It's my dream car that he's gonna get, inshallah.
We'll drive it together.
Inshallah, for sure, my bro. So today I'm here for a reason. I want to know what you actually do for a living, bro. Because people wants to know. You do podcasts and all of that stuff.
Yeah.
But they want to know more, bro. What do you actually do for a living?
Right. So basically, we make rich people famous and we make famous people rich. That's the best way I can describe it. But
Okay, I got
basically, it's influencer marketing. So if you've seen me with any influencers, YouTubers, chances are that we manage them.
Wow.
Or we represent them to a certain extent. So basically, you're a company, you want to advertise with influencers.
Yeah.
We broker the deal, we get you the influencers. Basically marketing, but only with influencers. And what are influencers? Like just people with like large social media following on any social media.
That's amazing, man, mashallah.
Thanks.
Baba is grinding literally
I think
every
7
single day.
years, and it's an industry that's been going on now recently, only like 5 years. And I've been doing it like since I was 13, you know, if you remember when I was a kid with mobiles and
Yeah,
stuff.
I remember the office story.
Yeah,
you know?
So, yeah, it's crazy. It is what it is. And now, alhamdulillah, we work with a lot of big companies like Gillette, Colgate, Head & Shoulders, to name a few.
Wow.
And yeah, inshallah, upwards from here.
I live in the dream, mashallah.
No,
That's
bro,
amazing,
you live in the
wallahi.
dream.
That's amazing. May Allah put barakah inside it
Thank
and
you
may
so
Allah
much,
make
brother.
it more
Thank you so
successful,
much.
inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you for your time,
Thank
my
you,
brother.
brother.